Feeling totally overwhelmed by all the affiliate programs out there, like you're drowning in options, stuck in analysis paralysis, and terrified you'll sink months of work into the wrong platform for zero results? You've heard that affiliate marketing is a real business, that it takes time and effort, and you're ready to work. You just don't want to waste that work on a dead end. Well, let's cut through all that noise. I'm going to give you 5 perfect affiliate platforms for beginners and break down exactly who each one is for and help you get started on the right foot today. And just to be crystal clear, this isn't a pitch for some $1,000 course. This is free, actionable advice from my own experience, designed to give you the clarity you need to finally get going. But before we jump into this list, let's make sure we're on the same page. What the heck is an affiliate platform? Think of it as a bridge. On one side, you have companies with products to sell called merchants. On the other side, you have people like you and me, affiliates or publishers with an audience that might want those products. The affiliate platform is the marketplace in the middle connecting both sides. It handles all the boring technical stuff, the unique tracking links, reporting clicks and sales, and most importantly, making sure you get paid. Choosing the right platform is a huge deal. Pick the wrong one and you could end up promoting junk to your audience, destroying their trust. And you could be fighting for pennies with low commission rates or dealing with a clunky site that makes you want to pull your hair out. And the right platform, on the other hand, sets you up for success with credible brands, fair commissions, and tools that make your life easier. Your goal is to find a platform that lets you help people, not just sell to them. And when you focus on helping, the sales happen way more naturally. So, with that in mind, let's get into the top 5 platforms that will help you do just that, starting with the one that's a rite of passage for almost every new affiliate. And stick around for a special bonus section that most new affiliates don't know about. First up is the one nearly everyone starts with, Amazon Associates. It's the official affiliate program for, you guessed it, Amazon, the biggest e-commerce store in the world. Its biggest strength is the staggering number of products available. Whatever your niche, from kitchen gadgets to car parts, you'll find something to promote. And another huge advantage for beginners is brand recognition. Everybody already knows and trusts Amazon, which means the barrier to getting a sale is incredibly low. But it's not perfect. There are a couple of big downsides. The biggest one is the 24-hour cookie. This means if someone clicks your link, they have just 24 hours to buy something for you to get credit. And if they come back 2 days later, you get nothing. The one exception is if they add an item to their cart. Then in that case, the cookie for that specific item extends usually to 90 days. Commission rates are another pain point. They can range from 1% to over 10% depending on the product category. And as of 2025, you might see high rates on things like luxury beauty or Amazon games, but many popular categories like home goods and electronics hover around 3 to 4%. And these rates are known to change, so you always have to keep an eye on them. So who is Amazon Associates for? It's perfect for beginners who want to get their feet wet with a program that's easy to join and understand. And if you have a blog or YouTube channel where you review a wide variety of physical products, it's an absolute no-brainer. Despite the short cookie, the conversion rates are high simply because it's Amazon. And curious question, if Amazon's cookie window is so short, why do you think their conversion rates still beat most other programs? I'd love to hear your theories in the comments. Next up, we have ShareASale. And if Amazon is a giant single brand store, think of ShareASale as a massive shopping mall with over 20,000 different shops, big and small. It's an affiliate network that hosts thousands of merchants. And what makes ShareASale fantastic for beginners is its incredible diversity. You'll find physical products, digital products, and services all in one place, from well-known brands like Reebok to smaller, unique businesses. This gives you a chance to find products that are a perfect and maybe unexpected match for your audience. What I love for beginners is how friendly ShareASale is. The sign-up process is straightforward, and they won't kick you out if you don't make sales right away, which gives you time to learn. Their reporting dashboard is also transparent, showing you metrics like average commission and earnings per click, or EPC, to help you pick winning programs. The minimum payout is a standard $50. And the main knock against it, the user interface can feel a little dated, but most people find it easy enough to use once they get the hang of it. Also, with so many merchants, you'll need to do your homework to find the hidden gems. ShareASale is perfect for the blogger or content creator who wants to build long-term partnerships with specific brands. If you want to promote a mix of physical and digital products and love having a ton of options, ShareASale is one of the most reliable platforms you can join. And at number 3 is a platform that's basically synonymous with digital products, ClickBank. For over 20 years, it's been the go-to marketplace for promoting ebooks, online courses, and software. And the biggest draw for beginners is how easy it is to get started. And for most products, you don't need to get approved by each individual merchant. You can sign up, find a product, grab your unique affiliate link called a hop link, and start promoting it almost immediately. This removes a huge roadblock for new affiliates. And ClickBank is also famous for its crazy high commission rates. Since digital products cost almost nothing to duplicate, merchants can offer affiliates 50%, 75%, or even more. And this means you can earn a lot more from a single sale. But, and this is a big but, you have to be careful because it's so open, the quality of products can be, let's just say, inconsistent. There are some amazing products, but there are also a lot of spammy looking offers. It's on you to vet these products. And promoting a bad one is the fastest way to lose your audience trust. ClickBank is ideal for affiliates who want to focus on digital products and are comfortable with direct marketing, like running paid ads or building sales funnels. And if you're in niches like health, self-help, or making money online, you'll find a goldmine of offers on ClickBank. And coming in at number 4 is CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. CJ is one of the oldest and most established networks out there, known for representing huge big name brands. The main reason to be on CJ is the brands. We're talking global companies like Zappos, TripAdvisor, and Under Armour. And if you want to partner with household names, this is the place to do it. The platform itself is powerful with pro-level tracking and reporting tools that are more advanced than many competitors. They also have a typical $50 minimum payout. Now, the catch with CJ is that getting approved for programs can be tougher, especially if you're brand new with no track record. Big brands are protective and want to see that you have an established audience. So, while some call it beginner friendly, it's really better for affiliates who already have a bit of traffic and experience. The CJ Affiliate is the right choice when you're starting to get some traction. Maybe your blog or YouTube channel is growing and you're ready to partner with larger brands. And if you're looking for a professional, powerful platform and you're confident in your content, applying to programs on CJ is the logical next step. Finally, at number 5, we have a more specialized network called AvantLink. It's not as huge as the others, but it has a stellar reputation in specific niches, especially outdoor recreation, sporting goods, and active lifestyle brands. AvantLink's whole game is quality over quantity. They work with a curated list of awesome, high-converting brands like REI and Backcountry.com. And because they're selective, you won't find the low-quality offers that can plague other networks. Affiliates also consistently praise their great support and modern tools. And a nice little perk is that their payout threshold is only $25. The main hurdle, though, is their application. They are picky and are known for carefully vetting affiliates. So you'll need an established, relevant website before applying. This makes it a tough starting point for absolute beginners. AvantLink is the perfect platform for a content creator with a passionate audience in the outdoor and lifestyle space. If you have a hiking blog, a mountain biking YouTube channel, or an Instagram focused on sustainable apparel, AvantLink gives you direct access to the premium brands your audience already loves. And now, the special bonus I mentioned in the beginning. While the 5 platforms we just covered are fantastic starting points, there's another category that many new affiliates completely overlook: direct partnerships with companies that run their own proprietary affiliate programs. These aren't part of the big networks we just talked about. Instead, These companies have built their own affiliate systems, and they often offer some serious advantages that the big platforms just simply can't match. Take companies like newlifespan.com and rewardshealth.com, for example. These innovative health and wellness brands have created their own affiliate ecosystems that are game changers for the right affiliates. And what makes them special? 2 words: lifetime cookies and residual income. Unlike Amazon's 24-hour window or even the 30 to 60-day cookies you'll find on most networks, these direct partnerships often offer lifetime tracking. That means when someone clicks your link and buys anything from that brand, whether it's next week or next year, you still get credit. And here's the kicker: many of these programs pay you recurring commissions every time that customer makes a repeat purchase. This is how you build truly sustainable long-term income. Instead of constantly hunting for new customers, you're building a base of loyal buyers who keep generating commissions month after month and year after year. These type of partnerships are particularly strong in niches like health and wellness, where companies are focused on regeneration, longevity, and genuinely helping people improve their lives. The products tend to be high quality because these companies are building their entire brand reputation around them, not just throwing products into a massive marketplace. The catch? You usually need to apply directly through each company's website, and they tend to be more selective about who they accept. But if you're creating content in the health and wellness space, and you're genuinely passionate about helping people live better lives, these partnerships can be absolute gold mines. So, how do you find them? Start by looking at the brands you already use and trust in your niche. Scroll to the bottom of their websites and look for affiliate or ambassador program or partners links. Many of the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight, just waiting for affiliates who are willing to do a little digging. Before we wrap up, I want to share 2 critical mistakes I see almost every beginner make. Avoiding these will save you a ton of frustration. First, selling instead of helping. It's so tempting to just grab a link and blast it everywhere. That almost never works. Instead of thinking, how can I sell this? Ask, how can I help my audience with this? Write honest reviews, create helpful tutorials, and focus on the benefits. Trust is your most valuable asset, and when people trust you, they buy. Second, chasing commissions, not passion. Promoting a product you don't care about just because it has a high commission is a recipe for disaster. Your audience will know you're faking it. Plus, you'll burn out creating content for a topic you find boring. Choose a niche you're genuinely passionate about and promote products you actually believe in. That authenticity will keep you going and make your content way more persuasive. All right, so now you know some of the best platforms to get your start in 2025. The biggest takeaway here is that there's no single best one. The right platform depends entirely on your niche, your audience, and your goals. So instead of falling into the trap of joining dozens of programs at once, pick 1 or 2 from this list that feel like the right fit and pour your energy into them. I've left links to all 5 of these platforms in the description below so you can check them out. And now I have a question for you. What's the number 1 thing holding you back from starting your affiliate marketing journey? Is it picking a niche, building a website, fear of failure? Well, maybe this video will also help answer some of those questions. So check it out and I will see you on the other side.